Hello everyone, so if you want to connect your Xiaomi Watch S3 to an Android phone, first of all we need to turn on our watch. So locate the button right here at the bottom of your watch and hold it until you'll see your Xiaomi logo. Alright, so now give it a few seconds to load up, and while it's loading up, open up your Play Store. Now we are to choose a language in our watch, so press English or any other language which you're using, correct? Now go to your search tab in your Play Store and find your Mi Fitness app. Here it is. Press install. Alright, now as it's getting installed, make sure to turn on your Bluetooth. To do that, swipe down from the top of your screen and make sure that this icon glows with the blue color. So our Bluetooth is on. Now let's press open, press start, agree to the privacy policy. First I'll go through it and agree to it if you're agreed with everything. Press agree. Now we are to choose the region. Usually it chooses automatically, so I'll press next. And now press device and press add device. Press agree. Once again, grant all of the permissions, press agree, press allow. And here is your watch, so tap on your watch and I'll be prompted to sign in. So press sign in, enter your email, your password, and you must once again agree to the Xiaomi account user agreement and privacy policy. So let's do this. Alright, so as you have entered all the information, press sign in. And now let's press on our watch name again. Now you'll be prompted to pair, so press pair, confirm your choice on your watch, and basically that's it. Press done, press continue, but choose your notifications, whether turn them on or no. So I'll mirror the phone notifications, press set. Alright, now we need to turn on an access for location. We need it for tracking our steps and so on. So press allow, go back to your application, press set, press OK, press got it, and that's it. Now you're connected to your phone. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.